Hey guys, welcome to my channel today. All right, I'm going to be teaching you how to design a logo using Canva. All right, we have some tutorials on posters, business cards. This is for logo. All right, let's click on logo. Now you have a lot of designs here. You have a lot of template for each design. So it depends on what you want. For example, you're in fashion, you can click on fashion and then look for something here and customize and make let's say make it look a little bit different or make it to fit your business. So it's important you do that. Okay. However, I'm gonna use Canva to see what we can design from scratch. Now the challenge is this: most times some people just come to Canva, pick a template, and then change the text, put in their own text, and they have a new design. But if you don't make enough changes, your design wouldn't be unique in the sense that a lot of person will have same design, probably different colors, same logo. For example, if I pick this one here now and when I come over here and I change it to this text, let me change it to clean cut, or let's say clean Wi-Fi. Yes, I change it to this. It doesn't really make it different, all right. Maybe I want to ungroup this, then rotate this. It's still okay. Yeah, this is the one I want. All right, so let me send that to back. All right, so I can click on that. Yes, good. Maybe I want to rotate this up. All right, maybe this can give it a little let's say a little bit difference from this and the other one. Or maybe I will just go over here and then type, let's see if there's a Wi-Fi logo. Wi-Fi. All right, here we have it. There is one, so let's just pick that up. Which should we pick? Okay, let's pick this up. This is big. Let's give it our own color. Let's go with this kind of blue. All right, I'm just going to delete this, give this same color, increase it a bit, then see, increase. Good. All right, so I have this now, and I can also change the font. Now the idea here is to make this a little bit different and unique. Okay. Is there something more interesting? Okay, so I'm going with this. Let me change the color to same thing. And then anywhere street everywhere. That's funny, right? I'm gonna make this bent. I'm gonna do this, and I'm gonna change the font. Let's see how robot will look. Alright, so let's go with this one. Alright, so this does not look exactly like the previous. You see, this is what you call customization. You've made it yours, okay? You have made everything to look like what you want it to be. So this is how you design a logo using Canva. All right. So I'm going to save this, and then we're going to try and do something like this from scratch. Okay. Let's see how that will work. So let's save this. That's saved already. Okay. I'm going to take this off so that we can start what we want. I still need this, so I'm going to put this down. Alright, we need to create, or probably we have to design a Wi-Fi. I have to make that. So let's start by inserting a circle. Okay, and then we'll try to manipulate our way. Alright. First off, let's put this in a position where we can actually create a balance between the shapes. Alright, give that white and place there. I think that's much. Let me bring it down a little bit. No, let's put it back at the center. Okay, that's good. So bring this back to the center. Now, why we are doing this, because we want to make sure that everything is perfect, or probably near perfect. All right. So duplicate and then give this another color. Be careful with the colors. Colors are quite tricky. So duplicate these two and give it white again. Reduce, put that there. Okay. Not duplicate again. Reduce, this is another different color. What color am I going to give it now? This is quite tricky. This color doesn't look too good. I think I have to change it. Yeah, I have to. Alright, let's use the normal sky blue. I think this looks good. I actually need a part of this shape, not just the full part. So how am I going to do that now? I think I have to delete the other details. Alright, let's find a way to cut out what we need. I'm going to use a square. I'll use a square, position it where I want it to be, so I can actually carve out or cut out what I need for this. I duplicate, use this the other side. Okay, that's good. What else? Now I'm going to give it color white so that it will run with the background. Now you see we have what we want. Okay, now I just want to check if it matches with the Wi-Fi. Let's take a Wi-Fi icon and see. Oh, and it's actually 3. Well, we can make a unique one. So what I'm going to do now, I need this to come to the front, and I need it to be smaller. Alright, so we are done with this. Let's see. Alright, this is saved. Alright, so I'm going to go back to the point where I have the text. Okay, good. I need this to be off. I don't need them no more. Okay, so come over here, and you come over here. Good. Alright, so now we're going to insert the image we saved. Here it is. Now it's big, so let's crop it. I'm going to crop it such a way that we have okay, there it is. Good. Yeah, how does it look? Well, it depends on what you want. So you can make something smaller, you can save like this, you can make it small, you can bring it over here like this. There's literally anything you want to do, but I'm going to do this. This is what I'm going to do. Yeah. Alright, so I'm going to move this here. I want it to be like this. Good. So this is going to be the design. The background color, I think it's okay like that. You can do whatever you want to do, but I think you should leave it at white because of the white background you get. So let's leave it like this. So there you have it. We have our logo. Then the next thing you want to do is to save. Alright, that will be it for this design. Thank you for watching. Do well to subscribe, do well to share, do well to like, comment. I would love to hear from you to know what I need to add and what I need to remove from my videos. I want something to know the things you want to learn so that I can make videos to suit your needs. Alright, thank you for watching. Bye.